So starting off, we'll go back to our main page here, and we're just gonna buy some options on Zynga. Okay, I'm liking Zynga right now. So we'll just hop in there and buy some options for Zynga stack. So we'll search up Zynga. And now that we're on the page for Zynga, we're gonna go down here to the corner, the bottom right corner, and press options, okay? And there's a lot of stuff going on right here, okay? So this could be totally intimidating for you if you are a beginner investor and you've never traded before. Like I said, options are a very risky way to trade, so make sure that you do your homework before you actually trade options and you know what you're doing here. So there's a lot of stuff going on, so let's just break this down individually. So like I mentioned before, we're just gonna talk call options for right now because they're the most easy to understand. But with a call option, essentially you are giving yourself the opportunity to buy a stock at a given price before a future date. So in this case, we'll just go through this for an example. Okay, so currently the stock price is $10.26. You can see that in the middle of the screen right here. So if we think the stock price is going to go up, we could buy a call option for a higher price, and kind of if the price were to exceed that amount, we could potentially make a profit. So what we're going to see here, we'll just go in and buy a $10.50 call option for Zynga. And what we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to buy a call option. Okay, so we're going to select call option. We're going to go $10.50. And so the bid price is what somebody else is willing to buy this options contract for right now. The ask price is what somebody's willing to sell this options contract for right now. So we could buy this contract for 5 cents. And one thing I want to mention here is that with options contracts, a 5-cent contract is going to cost you $5. That's because a options contract controls 100 shares of the underlying stock. So to buy this contract would actually be $5 for me, and we're actually going to do that right now. We're buying a call option for $10.50. That is the price that we're able to buy Zynga at with this option. So we're kind of betting that the stock price is going to go up over time. We can scroll over here. We can see some other stuff, just some other statistics, delta, gamma, theta. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. It's way beyond the scope of this beginner's video. But we're going to press edit now, and then it's basically just going to take us to this screen where we are able to confirm our transaction. So for order type, again, we can select any of the same order types that you have for stocks. It's your limit, your market, your stop limit. I'm just going to do a market order for this particular example. Doesn't really matter that much. It's just for example's sake. We're going to buy one contract. We're going to buy day in force. You're going to get this confirmation screen here. We can see that approximately going to cost us about $4. Like I said, probably either $4 or $5 to buy this options contract. Up here, you can see contracts is times 100 shares. So one options contract, like I said, controls 100 shares of the underlying stock. We're buying a call option, which means we think the price is going to go up over time. So we're going to press confirm here. We're going to press confirm here, and apparently, according to the current market volatility that we're experiencing, you cannot buy market order options. So we're actually going to have to go back here and buy a limit order option on this particular contract. I'm just going to set the limit price to 5 cents just so it actually executes, and we're going to press confirm, and boom. Okay, so we filled that order at 4 cents. We can tap on this here and see our confirmation here. So I set the limit price to 5 cents, that we're not willing to pay more than 5 cents, but we actually executed it for 4 cents, which again, 100 shares means $4 was actually taken out of our account to buy this options contract. So that is exactly how you buy an options contract on Webull.